If you're looking to get the most out of SuiteDash's document management features, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through how to maximize these tools to streamline your workflow. But stick around because, at the end, I'll show you some powerful alternatives that might be even better for your needs. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about organizing your files in SuiteDash. The document management system in SuiteDash is powerful, but can be overwhelming if you're not using it efficiently. One of the key features you should immediately start using is folder structures. SuiteDash allows you to create a neat, intuitive folder system to categorize and organize files. Whether it's for clients, projects, or teams, this feature helps you keep things in order and reduces the time spent searching for files. Next thing, uploading and sharing documents is incredibly simple in SuiteDash. You can upload multiple files at once, and the system supports drag and drop functionality. Plus, the sharing options are robust. Whether it's sending a file to a client or granting access to your team, it's easy to control who sees what. Just be sure to set proper access permissions to maintain security, especially if you're dealing with sensitive information. But the permissions aren't foolproof. Keep an eye on them and use the available settings to prevent unauthorized access. The third thing to know is collaboration. SuiteDash excels when it comes to collaborating on documents. You can leave comments, tag teammates, and even edit documents in real time. This is especially useful if you're working with a remote team or with clients who need to review your work. But I should point out, this can get chaotic if multiple people are editing the same document without clear communication. Be mindful of version control, or you might run into conflicts. Now, let's talk about automation. One of SuiteDash's standout features is its ability to automate document workflows. You can set up automated document requests, reminders, and even approvals. This is a great time saver, but be careful. Setting up too many automations can overwhelm you, and you may end up with notifications you didn't need. Keep it streamlined to avoid frustration. Next thing, security. SuiteDash offers decent security features for document management, such as SSL encryption and password protection. However, it's not as robust as some other platforms out there. If you're handling highly sensitive data, it might be worth considering additional security measures or alternatives that offer enhanced encryption and more granular control over document access. The fifth thing, integration. SuiteDash integrates with several third-party applications, which is great if you're already using tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even QuickBooks. But keep in mind that SuiteDash's integrations are somewhat limited compared to more established players in the market. So, if you rely heavily on other software, SuiteDash might not be as flexible as you'd like. So, you've seen how SuiteDash stacks up, but is it the best choice for your needs? There are some excellent alternatives that might better suit your workflow. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one works best for you. If you're after an even more intuitive and feature-rich document management system, these alternatives might surprise you. Before I go, I want to mention that we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial for SuiteDash, available only through our link in the description. If you're intrigued, give it a try. But don't forget to check out the alternatives we mentioned. They could give you exactly what you're looking for with even better benefits.